All right. I see Blue more than likely took down my last video. So anyhow, a face only untreatable hemorrhoids could love. Well, according to people outside of YouTube who have cooked to a crisp, at least I feel as though I'm attractive enough to actually, show my face. Blue's face got exposed and she started flagging. My bad. I'm a little sick, y'all. Maybe it's the hemorrhoids. Is Blue the one who's been hiding this time and then flagging once she got caught? Is she talking about looks, folks? Look, bitch, I cam up and you don't, so therefore I look better than you. I, as a man, am more fuckable to another man than you. All homo, bitch. You are on here flagging down your motherfucking face after talking all this shit about how you better than everybody, how you was sucking shit, causing a rift on your own team full of niggas, talking to Rio James any old kind of way on here, as if you actually had a real fucking relationship with him to begin with. Bitch, get all the way the fuck up out of here. You have no room to talk. You have no entertainment value. You cannot roast. You are boring to listen to. We have told you this for the millionth fucking time, and you just don't get it. Okay, listening to you talk is literally like watching paint dry. That's how boring you are. You're too ugly to cam up. You took down, you've been flagging shit. You've been flagging your own face down, bitch. I'm not going to flag you down for posting this shit. So, yeah. That's all I got to say to you. I've already spent too much time with you. Peace out.